How to find link in bio on Instagram. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your Instagram account. If you're watching anyone's post and you want to get to the profile of that person, all you have to do is click on the username. With that, you will be directed to the profile page of that person. Likewise, if you are watching anyone's story and you want to head towards the profile of that person, go ahead and click on the profile picture given at the top left corner. With that, you'll be directed to the profile page. Likewise, if you are in the reel section and you are watching reel of anybody and want to head towards the profile of that person, click on the username. With that, you will be directed to the profile of that person. You will only find the link in their profile if they have added link to their bio. By clicking on that link, you can get to the web page. By applying the same process, you can search for a link in the bio of other Instagram users. Well, this is how you can easily find link in bio on Instagram. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.